Look what came earlier, Horizon Zero Dawn Collector's Edition, yay! I am here to do an unboxing for you. And I just sang all of that because I'm so excited. Ta-da! We have this beautiful box with Aloy. Yay, I pronounced her name right for the first time because I suck at pronouncing. And some awesome artwork on the back. And we open it up and it just says name. Okay, pretty blue. Okay, I'm gonna need some assistance. I ripped the box. I ripped the box a little bit. I ripped it, oh my god. Ooh, more artwork. Yay. Sorry. Trying to see if this is like a running on and where it begins. There's some of the creatures. There's Aloy again. A tree. That building? Temple? Cliff thingy? Another tree! And some clouds. Okay, now to figure out how to open this so we can get into the good stuff. This way. What are we seeing? We are seeing more artwork. Y'all are seeing this before I am. The Art of Horizon Zero Dawn. Just a nice little art book that I assume mainly comes with the collector's edition. I'm assuming it's mostly like concept art and stuff like that, and yeah, it appears to be mostly concept art. I have no idea what's in the box. I didn't look at any unboxings, or if I did, I don't remember what was in the box. What's in the box? I got really loud there. Okay, and ooh, yeah, here's the actual game in the steelbook, which is a gorgeous steelbook. With a symbol on the back that I have no idea the meaning of. I assume we'll learn that as we play. Okay, now there's some, I'm gonna flip this back up. Styrofoam, so you can see that artwork again. Ooh. Next is gotta be careful with it, the Collector's Edition statue. I'm gonna be very careful so I don't break it and piss the husband off royally. Man, they make this a puzzle. I want you to see its prettiness. I think I got it. This video is maybe just like 10 minutes and 5 minutes of pretty! Look at that detail work. I will not touch that part because I would probably break everything. Yeah, it's the main character, Aloy, standing on, take it off, something. Okay, I'm gonna actually attempt to take this off without breaking it. I need a knife. A magical knife appears. Roll for initiative. Careful, careful. I'm surprised I'm allowed to use a knife. I managed to cut myself on butter knives. I'm not kidding. I have literally cut my tongue with what I thought was a butter knife. Apparently it was a steak knife. Putting that away. I didn't cut all the way through. Again, it's gonna be 5 minutes of pretty and 10 minutes of, ooh, let's mess with plastic. I don't know how I can even shoot straight in a video game if I can't. There's the plastic. Here's the pretty compound bow. Or it's not a recurve bow with arrows. arrows that go in the head right here. They're blue fletchings? I'm not sure of the exact word.
Feathers.
Feathers. They're blue feathers, though there's an actual word for it that I can't remember right now. Which I should, because I have a bow and I should remember that. I think I said the hole. I found the hole. But that's not the hole. It's not my job to find.
Put them all the way in.
I didn't find the hole, but that's fine. Alrighty, this is what you get in the Horizon Zero Dawn Collector's Edition. The steelbook case with the gorgeous artwork, the art book, and the statue. That is probably what most of the value is, because look at it, it's so pretty. Alrighty, if you like what you saw, hit that like button down below, subscribe if you want to see more, and chime that little bell if you want to be notified of all my uploads.